Today we are discussing about atmospheric layers of Earth. Okay, what is atmosphere? Atmosphere means the clouds you see in the sky, the wind passing towards us, climatical environment, even the sunshine you feel on your face. These are all result of Earth's atmosphere. Earth's atmosphere stretches from the surface of the planet up to 10,000 kilometers above. After that, atmosphere blends into space. Earth is the only planet in solar system with an atmosphere can sustain life. The gases that surrounds our planet not only contains air that we breathe but also protects us from heat and radiation from the sun. It warms the planet by day and cools it at night. Most of the Earth's atmosphere is situated up to 10 kilometers to 16 kilometers from the surface of the Earth. According to temperature, Earth atmospheric layer divided into 5 categories: troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, and exosphere. Ionosphere is a layer which combines both mesosphere and thermosphere. Troposphere. The word tropos taken from Greek, which means change. In this layer, the weather will changes due to constant mixing of gases. Troposphere extends from surface of Earth to 16 kilometers above. In colder regions like North Pole and South Poles, the troposphere is thinner, while in equator, the troposphere is thicker. Troposphere is composed of 78% of nitrogen, 21% of oxygen, and 1% of argon, water vapor, and carbon dioxide, etc. Air at the bottom of the troposphere, that means near Earth's surface, is warmer, and how much we go to higher altitude, that much the air will colder it is. Most of the clouds form in this layer. Tropopause is the boundary that separates both troposphere and stratosphere. At poles, tropopause is lower at about 7 kilometers high, and it's in equator it presents above 20 kilometers high. Weather conditions are present at troposphere. All weather phenomena like hurricanes, tornadoes, thunders, typhoons, cyclones, and snow occurs in this layer. Commercial flights travels in this troposphere. Greenhouse effect also occurs in this atmosphere. Stratosphere. Stratosphere is derived from Greek word. The word strato, which means layer, and sphere means earth shape. Stratosphere extends from 16 kilometers to 35 kilometers. Stratosphere consists of 24% of Earth's total atmosphere and 19% of Earth's total atmospheric gases. 90% of ozone layer is found in this stratosphere. The amount of water vapor in the stratosphere is very low. In this region, there are no clouds in stratosphere. Aeroplanes can fly in this layer. There are some different types of biological bacteria living in this stratosphere. There are some species of birds capable of flying in stratosphere, just like Rupert's griffin and bar-headed grouse, etc. Helium balloons can travel up to stratosphere. According to hot air balloons, sometimes it can travel up to stratosphere, but majority it can travel only in troposphere. Mesosphere. The word mesosphere is derived from Greek word. The word meso, which means middle. The coldest atmospheric temperature, minus 90 degrees centigrade, is found near the top of mesosphere. Mesopause is the boundary which separates mesosphere and thermosphere. Most of the materials are burned and vaporized in this level. As a result, the mesosphere has a relatively high concentration of iron and other metals atoms from meteoric materials. There are approximately 40 tons of meteors that fall towards Earth every day. People sometimes see them in the night sky as shooting stars. Sounding rockets or research rockets are used to study the mesosphere, but it's difficult to study. Sprites and LVs, lightning which occurs in mesosphere. Mesosphere is the coldest layer of Earth. Noctilucent clouds are present in this layer and it was visible from Earth's surface. Thermosphere. Thermosphere is derived from Greek word, the word thermo, which means heat. Thermosphere is the hottest layer of Earth with 2000 degrees centigrade. The area between thermosphere and exosphere is thermopause. International Space Station space shuttles are present in thermosphere with an above 200 miles from Earth's surface. Thermosphere is composed of helium and small amount of nitrogen and oxygen. Thermosphere absorbs a lot of UV radiation and X-ray radiation given off by the sun. One of the most amazing sky phenomena occurs mostly in thermosphere like aurora borealis or north and south pole lights. This light occurs when ions, protons, and electrons from space collide with the molecules and atoms in thermosphere, creating high energy that emits light. Thermosphere is the largest layer of Earth's atmosphere. It extends from 53 miles to 621 miles. That means 90 kilometers to 800 kilometers. Outer space began at 62 miles above Earth's surface. The thermosphere could be part of space. Exosphere. The word exosphere is derived from Greek word. The word exo, which means outside. The temperature in exosphere varies from 0 degrees to 1700 degrees. At night time, the temperature should be 0 degrees centigrade. At daytime, the temperature should be 1700 degrees centigrade. Geocorona is the name of the exosphere part that can be seen from Earth. Exosphere is the perfect for placing satellites. Exosphere and mesosphere is dark blue in color. Exosphere is extends from 800 kilometers to 10,000 kilometers.